So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series HTML 8th video HTML list. What is a list? Displaying the content in an order. That is called as list. So I want to show some data in an order. I'm grouping it in a list. That is called as list, which is termed by a li tag in HTML. List is classified into two different areas. The one is the ordered list, the other one is unordered list. If it is an ordered list, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is an ordered list. A, B, C, D, it's an ordered list. Apple, so fruits name, apple, orange, grapes, order, you are able to order it. Sir, I don't want this 1, 2, 3 and all size, childish, sir. I can have some special symbols. In that case, you can go for unordered list. You can have a circle symbol, a square symbol, a rectangle symbol or something like that. That is your unordered list. You got an ordered list and an unordered list. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. Over here, I got my list tag here. So go to this link. So go here. So I will put in the description. Just go here. In the list tag, so if it's got, so the list tag is specified with the li tag. The list tag will be available inside the body tag, and you can specify here the list tag with li/li. You can specify the data, and if you want the ordered or unordered, you can specify in the above. So type equal to disk. You can see what is the type you want, disk, square or something like that. You can specify. What are the things I can specify over here? Type, it's 1, you can specify 1, 2, 3, 4, A, capital A, B, C, D, small a, B, C, D, Roman letter you can specify, or the Roman letter symbols 1, 2, 3 you can specify it. Disk, square, circle, these are the parameters you can specify as type. So over here I can show you the ordered list where I want only numbers. It can be specified with the OL tag. Here is the OL tag. So in this OL tag, you are able to see the OL tag indicating the default is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I want something other things are like I can have some other things like this. Specifying the type. You can have reversing it, and start number you can specify, sir. From 10 I want to order it, sir. You can specify the start number also. Okay, on the other hand, you got the unordered list tag. It is specified with the UL tag. Over here you got the UL tag. In this UL tag you are able to see UL, under that you got the LI tag. So ordered list OL, under that you got the LI tag. So you are able to see it here. The default is circle, and you can have square or it can be a disk also.